I just pulled up here. There's a python slowly making its way across the road. Thought I better just make sure it gets across, because already a couple of cars have come. They would have run over it, poor thing. And it's that blooming cold and rainy today. She's not warm at all. The old snake's not moving too quick. Anyway, harmless python, but let's just make sure it gets back down into the bush and so before I leave the area for it. Go on, mate, you're heading in the right direction. Keep on going, otherwise you'll get run over. Good to see a python. Haven't seen one for a fair while. But it is a pretty cold day, I can tell you. Right, I reckon it's far enough off now, I'll be right. Anyway, this area I'm in now is up near Tilba, New South Wales, south coast. Righto, he looks like he's going to be nice and safe. Catch you later.